Make the star.
Star.
Draw the star.
Yan ang
Oh,
star.
good.
It's called positive marites. That's so positive marites is no problem. See, like, so see that one is so good. See the place is good. The swimming pool is good. That's a good marites.
Happy Passover! Maligayang Paska!
Wow, best actor.
Coco Mouse.
Tamang-tama, wala.
Everyone is suggesting you can do this so that you can have a good life. You can do this different kind of tradition or different kind of rituals so that I can forgive you and you can go to the good life. But Jesus, I get the soup. I get the soup.
One, two, three. Go!
Naglagay ng mamamit.
Only the egg! Only the egg!
Only the egg.
Only the egg!
Next.
Okay, next!
Next.
Talo kayo.
Yeah. The candidate of Miss World Philippines
Next.
Ay, balik naman!
and Miss Universe Philippines. Mr. World.
Mabuhay. Lalo kaya ni Papa.
Yeah, it looks more like you're a robot.
So far, only one egg.
Okay.
No pressure. No 2x, boss. 2x already.
No, after fall down.
Uy! Uy!
What?
Cheating. Yay! Let's go.
No.
Naglagay na panalo na tayo. Isa lang sa kanila.
Be careful, huh? Love it. You guys win already. Come on. Now, then modeling. Miss Phil Macau.
Turbo.
Okay.
I can't see anything. Lab, sample nga.
Love!
Isa pa nga. Nice. Yeah, you close your eyes, guys.
Yeah. They make sound like this.
Yes. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I cannot hear you guys.
I almost won. I almost win. Di ako naniniwala na maririnig ko boses dito. Mahina. She have one more voice.